Good morning. Today's topic is chapter complex numbers and quadratic equations, exercise 5.1. Okay, the first you know what is complex number, and before that what is real number. So what is real number? So real number means that type of numbers whose square is always positive. Okay, that means real number of any number. Okay, so square is positive. So square is positive. See some examples. Square is positive. Suppose we are taking one number first, 2. 2 is a number. So 2 square is 4. It is positive. Okay. Then -1, any number. So -1 square equal to 1. It is positive. Okay. So take fraction number. -1/2. -1/2 whole square equal to 1/4. Okay. 1/4 also positive. So 1/3 whole square equal to 1/9. So these numbers 2, 2, -1, -half, 1/3, these all are real numbers because all are real numbers because whose square is positive. Okay, that means non-negative. Now some numbers are there whose square is not positive. Okay, see the what type of numbers? Say under root -1 whole square equal to -1. So under root -2 whole square this is equal to -2. That means these numbers are non-negative, that is not positive, that is negative. So square is negative. So the numbers whose square is negative is called complex number. So this type of numbers are called complex number. That means under root any negative number. So under root any negative number. Okay, and let us denote under root -1, this equal to I. I means iota. Okay, so under root -1 equal to small letter I. Okay, so under root any negative number is called complex number. Okay.
So what is the meaning of I, you said, sir?
I actually it is a notation. Let us denote. And I means iota. Okay, full name. It is a notation because we don't know the value under root -1. Okay, we cannot find this. So we are using under root -1 equal to I. Okay, it is a notation. Clear? Now, and let Z be any complex number. So complex number is denoted by Z. Let Z is equal to A plus IB. Okay, B any complex number. any complex number. So complex number denoted by Z, and where A is real part, A, where A is real part and B is imaginary part, because with I is imaginary, so with IB, so B is imaginary part and A is real part. So where A is real part and it is denoted by and A equal to called actually real Z, because it is real part, okay, and B is imaginary part, okay. So B equal to imaginary Z, okay. So real Z and imaginary Z, A and B, and we can write Z is equal to in order pair A comma B also, okay. So Z is equal to A plus IB, be any complex number where A is real part and B is imaginary part, and A equal to real Z you can write, and B equal to imaginary Z, okay. And this is also called A plus IB form. Any number we can, okay, from A plus IB form. And suppose one number is 4. So how to write this 4 equal to in complex number form? So 4 is real number, so real part. So imaginary part is 0. That means we can write 4 equal to 4 plus 0 into I. That means B equal to 0. Imaginary part equal to 0 here. Okay. Then modulus of a complex number. Okay. So, modulus of a complex number. Okay, modulus of a complex number. So let Z is equal to A plus IB be any complex number. A plus IB be any complex number Okay. Then modulus equal to, or mod z equal to, modulus means we can write mod of z, that is modulus of z, equal to under root a square plus b square. A square plus b square. And we know mod value is always positive. Okay. And this is the formula of modulus of any complex number. So under root a square plus b square, that means a is real part square plus imaginary part square. Okay. This is modulus of any complex number. Mod z equal to. Now what is conjugate of complex number? Conjugate. So conjugate of z equal to conjugate of z equal to, z means a plus ib, let. So conjugate of z is actually z bar, its notation, z bar, and z bar equal to a minus ib, a minus ib. So imaginary sign will be changed. When question is find its conjugate, then imaginary sign will be changed. So z is equal to a plus ib, any complex number, and its conjugate equal to a minus ib. Imaginary sign in z is plus, so it will be minus, a minus ib. That is conjugate of z. Now so I equal to under root minus 1. Okay. Then I square equal to, what is I square? I square equal to under root minus 1 whole square, that is minus 1. I square means minus 1. Then I cube equal to I cube, I square into I, that is I cube. So I square is minus 1, I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into I. So this is equal to minus I. Okay. So I equal to under root minus 1. Now I square is minus 1. So I cube is, what is I cube? I cube means I square into I, that is minus 1 into I, so minus I. So I cube equal to minus I. So what is I4? I4, I square into I square, that is I4. So I square is minus 1 into minus 1. So this is equal to plus 1. So I to the power 4 equal to 1. Okay. So we can use these values of I, different values. So if only I, then we know that is under root minus 1, that is complex number. So I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I, and I to the power 4 is 1. Now start exercise 5.1. Start exercise, see the questions are. First questions are, express each of the complex numbers given in the exercises 1 to 10 in the form a plus ib. Okay, that means a plus ib form we have to make. So first question is number 1, 5i into minus 3 by 5i. Five I into minus 3 by 5i. Okay. So this is equal to 5 cancel. So minus 3 and I into I square. So minus 3 I square. Okay. And this equal to minus 3 into and I square equal to, we know, minus 1. I square equal to minus 1. I square is minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 so equal to plus 3. 3. So it's a plus IB form. We can write 3 equal to 3 plus 0 into I. 3 plus 0 into I. Okay. This is its A plus IB form. Because imaginary part is 0, 3 is the real part. Okay. Clear how to simplify this and
Yes, sir.
A plus IB form. So next question say number 2, I to the power 9 plus I to the power 19. I to the power 9 plus I to the power 19. Okay. So you can write I to the power 9 means I to the power 4. We are taking I to the power 4 always. This type of question when finding its value. Okay. Because we know I to the power 4 equal to 1. Easily we can calculate. So I to the power 4 whole square that is 4 into 2 8 and it is I to the power 9. So into I. So 4 into 2 8, 8 and 1 9. So you can write like this way plus I to the power 19. So I to the power 19 means I to the power 4 square 16. Okay. So I to the power 4 into 2 8. So 4 is 16. 4 power 4 take 4 into 4 16 into I 3. The total 19. 4 into 4 16 into I 3. Okay. Hello. How to write?
Yes, sir.
Now put its value. So this is equal to I to the power 4 is 1. So 1 square into I plus I to the power 4 is 1. So 1 to the power 4 into I cube. I cube means I square into I. I square is minus 1, so minus I. I cube means minus I. Okay. I cube means minus I. So it is 1 into I, that is I, plus 1 to the power 4 is 1. So plus 1 into minus I, so minus I. So I minus I equal to 0. So the answer is 0. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And number 3 is I to the power minus 39. I to the power minus 39. Okay, I to the power minus 39. So we can write 1 by I to the power 39. This equal to 1 by, take I to the power 4 always. So I to the power 4, this. Okay, so 4 into 9, 36. 4 into 9, 36. So more 3, then 39 into I cube. Okay, 36 plus 3, 39. Now this equal to 1 by, and I to the power 4 is 1, 1 to the power 9 is 1, so it is I cube only. So 1 into I cube, and I cube is, we know, I cube means I square is minus 1, so minus I, minus 1 into I, so 1 by minus I, minus I. Now simplify this, so multiply I by I multiply, okay, then it will be this equal to 1 into I equal to I, numerator, I divided by I into I square, that is minus I square, minus I square. Now this is equal to I divided by I square is minus 1, so minus into minus 1. I square is minus 1, so this is equal to I by minus minus plus 1, 1 equal to I. Okay, so its answer is I. That means its real part is 0. So I, so this we can write 0, real part is 0, 0 plus I into 1. This is A plus IB form we can write. Because answer is only I, that means imaginary part B, and A plus IB form, A is 0. So 0, 0 plus I into 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, say question number 4.
Sir, in question 2 it came 0 answer, sir. Then real part is 0.
Question 2 is 0. So both part is
Yes, sir.
0. Real part, imaginary part, both are 0. 0 means both are 0. So 0 plus I into 0. So 0 only.
Yes, sir.
It is 0 only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell you have any question? Whatever done you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Say once. So complex number is Z equal to A plus Z is equal to a plus ib, be any complex number where a is real part and b is imaginary part. Okay, this is complex number. And what type of numbers are complex number? The number whose square is not positive, that means negative. Square number is negative, so that number is complex number.
Complex.
This type of number. Under root any negative number is complex number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Under root any negative number is complex number.
Yes, sir.
And Z is equal to a plus ib. So a is real part and b is imaginary part. So Z is equal to a plus ib, and mod Z is, that is modulus of Z, under root a square plus b square. Okay, this is mod Z. That means real part square plus imaginary part square. This is modulus, mod Z. And mod value we know always positive, so it is positive only. Under root a square plus b square plus. Okay, then conjugate. Conjugate means denoted by z bar. If z is equal to a plus ib, then its conjugate is z bar, that is a minus ib. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.